if you want to create a repository on GitHub, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Go ahead to your browser in order for this to work out, and then go ahead to repositories from here above, and you're gonna be able to wait for a few moments right here. And basically what you're gonna do, go ahead and hit a new right here, the green button, and then you're gonna be able to create your new repository. So I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here. I'm gonna enter my repository name T, okay, and enter the description, right? And or if you want to make it public or private, so anyone can interact to see this repository, you can just do that. And initialize this repository with add readme file, all right? And then basically go ahead right here and click create repository, and now you just created your repository on GitHub. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.